Jimbo.
Jim's like on camera shy.
Coming up, very sharp series of plays for those girls right there. There they are.
Are you back, Jimbo?
Feedlot bin and auger.
She's on how you make. She showed everybody how you make fart. No, Jimbo. Like.
Used to be in there.
Raspberries on Jimbo.
And later, no. Toward the front. I'm gonna get one. The last time
Thanks,
I
Jimbo.
ran out of towels was bad. This.
Say rock out, Mom. Rock out with your cock out. What? What are you doing? Alright, she left. I like how they look. Jimmy like won't look towards you at all.
She was like, I'm ready for my close-up.
She was a camera hog. She's like, oh yeah, film me, Mom, film me. She's like, oh, Jimmy, your butt stinks. You need to rub that thing on a urinal cake or something. No, look.
What's taking you so long?
I can't pick a restaurant in all these lanes.
Stop messing around, just use Bing.
Oh, wow. This is kind of cool.
I'll find someplace dark.
She's gonna use the field.
But this is really close by. Great ratings, too.
What's she doing? Hey!
I thought you were hungry.
I am.
Searching to start deciding. With Bing, the decision engine from Microsoft.
Back for a limited time at Chili's. Courses to 2 people, $20. Start with a shared appetizer. Choose 2 offers from over 15 Chili's favorites, like our new better than ever baby back ribs. Then share a dessert. Chili's, 3 courses, 2 people, $20.
I'm supposed to look at her tiny as a camera.
You must be looking for motorcycle insurance.
Jimmy, you're dirty.
Bike insurance. All the coverage you need with this price.
Cool.
Well, I got one. Not done. For less than $1 a month, you also get 24/7 roadside
That's
assistance.
weird.
Right on.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like you're around 500.
More like a 900 between.
Excuse me.
Well, you're excused.
The right insurance for your ride.
Yeah.
Now that's Progressive. Call and click today.
Are you one of those people who think you just can't learn a new language?